When we talk about shampoo, we need to pay attention. Did you know that the scalp is as delicate as the skin of your face? It's more and more clear that not all cosmetics are good for our health because of all the chemical components. If you have sensitive skin, some products may cause irritation, inflammation, redness, etc. It also happens with your hair and scalp. Do you want soft, strong, and shiny hair? This homemade herb shampoo is easy to make, and besides nourishing your scalp, it also invigorates and strengthens your hair. Learn more about the ingredients of this amazing recipe. Rosemary improves blood circulation on the scalp and stimulates hair growth. Rosemary, as well as horsetail, is astringent. Both herbs are recommended for greasy hair, and they also help strengthen hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Lavender, very used in cosmetics, it soothes scalp inflammation and increases blood flow, helping with hair growth. Stinging nettle will nourish your scalp, making it stronger and more healthy. Basil helps remove all toxins and heavy metals, which also helps with hair growth. Want to make this shampoo? Write down the recipe. 1/4 cup of dried stinging nettle, 1/4 cup of dried horsetail, 3 teaspoons of dried basil, 4 teaspoons of dried lavender, 3 teaspoons of dried rosemary, 3 cups of apple vinegar, filtered water, gauze or cloth strainer, glass container. Directions: in a glass container, put all the dried herbs together. Close the lid and shake it. After that, pour in the apple vinegar and shake the jar once more. Keep the container in a cool, dark place for 2 to 4 weeks. Shake the mixture every day. When the herbs have absorbed the vinegar, pour in some more vinegar until it reaches around 1 inch above the herbs. After 2 or 4 weeks, strain the mixture with a gauze or cloth strainer. Keep the shampoo in a clean glass container. To use, dilute some of it with water and apply on your scalp and hair, gently massaging. Leave it on your hair for a few minutes and rinse. You can use it whenever you want. Did you like this recipe? Try it and tell us the results. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.